Yo, what's up guys? My name is Mota, aka the ZuluMachine, and today guys, we are unboxing a SteelSeries guys. So if you like our videos guys, do subscribe to our channel, give a like, leave those comments below and tell us what you think about these headsets and if they're best or not. And also you can leave your suggestions for other new headsets to check out sometimes, Other than that, let's get this video started. Kaboom!
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Yo, what's up guys, and welcome again. Today guys, we are unboxing a new headset guys. It's the SteelSeries Wireless Arctis 9 guys, and yeah, it's a mouthful and there's nothing else I can say about it. It is a huge mouthful guys, and also hope you guys are gonna enjoy this one. Other than that guys, let's get right to the specs. So basically this is still headsets, wireless headsets have the label that says wireless, it says awarded, I don't know what it was awarded, best wireless gaming headsets, PC gamer. I don't know what's going there. They got awarded stuff. So yeah, good luck with them. Anyway, back to the specs, guys. It has lossless 2.4 wireless connection. That wireless that downloading at the back. Otherwise, it has also a simultaneous Bluetooth connection. That means in English, I can connect to the 2.4 wireless connection, or you connect to a PC and also connect to my phone at the same time, also connected to a PlayStation, since we play on both games. When you're streaming for your PlayStation, you stream all of the stuff to your PC and you don't hear your audio, but you know what I mean, like Discord also on headset, double, playing on the PlayStation. Anyway, we get right into that later maybe. Also it has 20 hours of light time if it's fully charged, and also steel frame construction, strong bar, strong bar and all of that. And also, let's see on the side here, it includes a cables, wireless headset transmitter. Also includes a USB cable. Okay, this also just tells you what is included here, all of those connections and stuff. And also, it's a 4.1 Bluetooth that is using. The range is 12 meters, guys. So this wireless is gonna have 12 meters. I don't know how big that is in my mind. Let's say 40 feet or 12 meters. That's alien to me, but you're gonna test it out for you at some stage here. It's also bi-directional noise cancelling headset, guys. It almost sounds like something I would know. Yeah, and what else is written here? There's a lot of gaming things here that's well known of. Also, PC, PlayStation, also obviously Xbox is supported and all of that into this headset because of the Bluetooth, the Bluetooth. Other than that, guys, what's next is let's check what's in the box, guys. I've already cut the cable here, so let's just check what's in the box for us, guys. And also, gosh, there's a lot of cables that comes with. Okay, this is the charging cable, guys. Charging cable as USB to Type C. Is Type C? No, it's USB to that old USB. I forgot what you call it, but that old one, that old one that you used to charge with before Type C. That USB, I forgot what you call it. Micro USB, I think. Can't remember now. Too many things. And also wireless transmitter. I don't know what this is for. Is this this is the thing? Is this for PC or your PlayStation? I think. Yeah, this is for connecting to your PlayStation. There's a wireless transmitter. There it is, guys, for you. For those who want to connect to their PlayStation, I guess we can use this as a wireless transmission because it is written here. It says PC or PlayStation, and you click it and it connects to the headsets. I think the only thing left here is the headset, guys. There it is, guys. Let me show you, guys. This is how it looks like, guys. OMG, look at it, guys. This looks awesome, guys. And also, I don't know how we're gonna test it, guys, because I'll be playing it on my headset, but it does look really good, guys. And also, we're gonna be figuring out how exactly I'm gonna test this, because this is going to be hearing from me by head, but this is all the headset I got. And also there is a belt here, and also there's a steel thing here. It has a bit of rubber in it, and this is what I can see. And also there's a lot of plastic around it, which looks cool. So you get a transmitter, guys, and you just get headsets from the box itself. There is nothing else except the charging, you know. Other than that, it's just all these cables and stuff. And yeah, this is our headset, guys. I hope you enjoy our non-technical unboxing of these headsets. I don't know, guys. Should I do more in depth and test this thing out with you? I do not know if you want me to do it, but leave the comments below in the chat, in the comments there. Leave the comments below in the comments. Yo, guys, I hope you enjoy our small unboxing video, guys, and also please do remember to leave the comments below and tell us what you think, guys. Other than that, this is ZuluMachine signing out, guys. See you guys when you travel, vlog, do other things, and also I'm out. Cheers, goodbye.